Now, the last segment I want to talk about is actually how to sell. So let's talk about what everything everyone of you wants to learn. Every entrepreneur, freelancer, business owner needs to know and master is how to sell. Here's the truth. Do you think everyone can sell? The truth is everyone can sell. Even an introvert can sell. I'm going to show you that even an introvert, yes, even though if you are watching now, you are introvert, you say that you are introvert, I can't sell. I really can't sell. I can't talk. I can't present. I can't be presenting. I can't appear on video. I'm very scared of talking to people. I don't want to talk to people. I want to hide myself, place and things like that. I don't want to make friends and all that. Not true. Even you, an introvert, you can sell. I'm going to show you. You can. Yes, you can. Even if you are introvert. Even if you've not done sales before. I've seen the quietest, the most reserved people become powerful trainers and in top earners. Well, because they've learned the right way to sell. You can learn. You can learn. You can learn the skill sets to sell. And it's not what you think. The mindset is very important, huh? Sales isn't about being pushy. Okay? It isn't being about being pushy. Actually, being an introvert is also good because you're not pushy. You're not pushy. You're an introvert. You're not pushy. This is one good thing you have. So make notes of the skill. Sales isn't about being pushy. It's not about convincing someone to buy something they don't need. Forget about the sleazy stereotypes. Huh? Great sales is just this trick point. Understanding your customer needs, offering real value, and building an honest relationship. 3 point I repeat. Understanding your customer needs, offering real value, and building an honest relationship. Honesty. I would find that a lot of salespeople are actually not honest, which I find quite sad. Mm, think of it this way. If you had the cure to someone's pain and they are actively hurting, would you feel bad offering something that you can fix their pain? Of course not, right? That is what called ethical sales. You are able to solve someone's problem who are actually looking for help. So sales is actually a learning skill, not a gift, not a personality trait. You don't have to be an extrovert, charming, or super persuasive. You have to be curious. You have to be caring. You have to be listening. You have to be listening. I repeat, listening. Some of the best salesperson I've seen are actually introverts. You, introverts, you can be the best salesperson because you listen. You listen because introverts don't try to dominate the conversation. They listen deeply. They pay attention to details. They ask better questions and they make customers feel heard, which build trust. Let's break it down for you. Here's a simple 3-step framework anyone else can use to sell more effectively. And one, listen. Listen actively. Don't pitch first. Listen. Start by asking questions. Find out what they want. What's the pain point? What are the problems? Ask questions. Listen. Listen. Then you come up with a solution. That's the second point. Offer a tailored solution based on what you heard. Present a product, a service, a solution that offers something to fix your problem that makes sense for them. Not just what you want to sell. You sell a solution. And then next, you invite them to take action. Not pushy, just confident. Let them know what's the next step is and how it will help them solve their problem. That's it. No scripts. Just conversation that lead to clarity. Some sales training they teach you that you need to have a certain scripts to do and all things like that. Actually, not necessary. You just follow this 3 steps framework you will do. Okay. A few quick things to avoid that could sabotage your sales conversion. I want to talk about these 3 points. Sometimes I see it. Even successful salespeople, they so recently I got a case, the person actually sabotaged my whole sales. Quite disappointed because the person actually feel quite seasoned salesperson. Um, these are some mistakes that person made, and I'm going to share with you as well. Okay, a few these mistakes I'm going to share with you is actually a common mistakes. Same done by salespeople. I'm sharing with you. First, they talk too much. Salesperson talk too much. Remember, you are not the hero. They are. Your customers, you are just a guide. You have to listen to what the customer is looking for, their problem, and offer a solution to it. Don't talk too much. Don't talk out of the topic. You are just a guide. Another thing is you focus on features, not benefits. Don't tell them what it does. Tell them how it helps. Tell them how it helps. Third point, overcomplicating your offer. Clarity sells. Clarity sells. Confusion kills. You talk too much, you complicate the whole thing. You talk too much and explain a lot of things, a lot of jargons and things like that. The customer is confused and angry. And don't understand what you're talking about and confused and upset. The confusion actually kills the whole sale. It's gone. So you need to actually keep it simple, keep it real. I'm teaching you all these things. Even though you might be a top sales director or VP or even a CEO, the business owners and all directors, and even though you might be a millionaire, billion-dollar sales and all these things, I just want to teach you this. Okay? Keep it simple, keep it real. Don't talk too much. You must listen, 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 listen. Understand your customers' needs, their problems, and offer a solution to it. Don't overcomplicate your offer. Look, man, if you learn how to sell, you can actually unlock your freedom. You can start your own business, grow your income, and create real impact without relying on anyone else to bring in customers. So here's my challenge to you. Start practicing. Start having conversations. Start listening more. Because once you master this skill, there's no limit to what you can build. Don't overcomplicate it. Learn how to listen to your prospect, address their pain points, and offer them a solution that makes sense for you. Them. If you can't do that, you have no problem closing deals. You have no problem. Don't sabotage the deal. In fact, I got customers who wants the deal, but because of that someone else, the whole deal is gone. The other person, the one representing and talking, sabotage the whole deal. Don't do that. Okay, my final thoughts I wanted to share with you guys as we end near the end of this video. I need to leave you with some final thoughts. Success in business doesn't happen overnight. I've gone through many difficult times, gone through a lot of pain, suffering, failures. You basically it's actually about you need to come up with the right mindset, the strategy, and persistent. You need to be strong. You can get it there. It's a journey, and lessons you will learn along the path will make you more stronger, more resilient, and ultimately more successful. Remember, the most successful entrepreneur doesn't start with all the answers. They started with curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a determination to keep going. And so can you. So can you. You can do it. Say to yourself, you can do it. I can. Say to yourself, I can. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. I can. I hope this video has inspired you to take the leap. Move forward. Take the leap. You can. I can. Say that to yourself. I can. Start your own business and start applying what I've teach you, you have learned today. Start applying it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't have to write business proposals, business plans, marketing plans, spend months, days thinking about it, things like that. You don't have to wait also for the perfect timing to do it. Okay? There's no such thing as a perfect time. It's just the best time is to start now. Okay? Start now. Start now. And thank you for watching. I hope you find this inspiring and meaningful. I hope you have learned something. If you do learn something, do share with others. For those who want to share with others and let them learn and benefit from it as well, do share it as well. And do like and comment anything that you have in mind. And maybe you can share what business plan you want to do, which part encourages you in this video, why is it so impactful to you, what have you learned, and maybe share about your past experience as well. Put in the comments so others can learn as well. Leave it in the comment section. And do subscribe as well. Subscribe for more future videos. I'm going to share more like real stories, more tips on entrepreneurship, mindsets, growth, and about building your businesses. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates on my videos. I'm here to support you or your journey, grow with you. So stay focused, be motivated, stay positive. Remember, stay positive. Failure doesn't mean you will fail. Don't be negative. Don't people might say that, oh, you're a failure. You won't succeed. Ignore them. You will succeed. Say to yourself, I will succeed. Ignore all the negativity and best stay with positive people. Surround yourself with positive, energized people. Okay? Say to yourself, I will succeed. I can. I can do it. Find people that supports you, encourages you. Find a good mentor to support you. Take that journey with you. Take action. And I'll see you the next. If you want one-to-one mentorship, You can call me and contact me. Yeah, that's what I say. Yeah. Take care. Bye.